This 2025 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 274 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features a ash interior, sleeps 4, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, microwave, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 274 RKS is 6,914 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.